ladies, as we had already discussed that dialogue in a formal setting is a group discussion, and group discussion is always the best way to have a 360 view on any issue that is under debate. So for today's group discussion, the topic for you would be that we are living in heightened, conflicting, and in the heightened state of information age, where the students of today also got additional pressure. Now, to cope up with this kind of pressure, there are certain priorities that are to be laid down by the students, and there could be various facets or aspects in the life of a student where these things, if prioritized correctly, will bring maximum benefits in building up the student capacity and the intellectual capital that the students are trying to acquire over a period of time to become successful in life. And those areas that affect directly the capacity of the student are, first, in your view, will it be the traditional knowledge along with technical tools as of today that you will give the highest priority, or you will give the priority to discipline, or you will give more priority to the soft skills, or these three or any other aspect of your life as a student you would like to prioritize in an order one after the other. So discuss as to what could be the effect of prioritizing your priority list to build up more intellectual capital and more capacity as a student to qualify in maximum of the exams. You may start, please.
In today's modernizing society, we people are running to achieve success. So all the three, the discipline, soft skills and the technical knowledge are complementary to each other, without which the human development is not possible. If the discipline is the foundation of a human being, then the soft skills are universal need. And if we talk about the technical skills, they are the career specific needs that a person need to enhance in the life.
So why not prioritize discipline first? Because just like warm-up is the basic of every sport, every physical activity, in the similar way, discipline is the root for anything that you want to learn. Today there are a lot of distractions as well. So in one case, there is a lot of competition. In the other case, there is really less competition, because just by becoming disciplined, you are becoming focused and you are 5% ahead of everyone. And it is easy to become successful today because others are in distractions. So discipline becomes the roots, and I think according to me, discipline should be the first priority, which will lead to the learning of soft skills and then further to the technical skills.
Discipline is only foundation. If a person will continue in life only with discipline, I agree with you that he can develop soft skills and other things, but only discipline can.
It would be better that in the first flow of things, that everybody should be able to basically give the core idea from themselves, and then the discussion can take a particular direction in which you wish to go. You may continue, please.
But more than discipline and other technical skills, I think soft skills are more impactable and more development we can see. But as in soft skills, it is a great big branch, so we can get self-discipline and everything in soft skills itself only. So I prioritize more soft skill. As a student gets to learn more in soft skills as they develop more, and I would like to prioritize soft skills than discipline and technical.
For me, all the three are equally important, because if you don't have discipline, the soft skills might work, but it may not be that effective. If you are disciplined, you will require, you can actually achieve anything if you want.
But soft skills include self-discipline and other kinds of various activities which will enhance yourself and make you indulge in more activities. So if soft skills are there, then discipline, self-discipline, motivation, everything will be in you. So it's more priority.
In case you wish, you can add many more aspects from your student experiences in life to give little impetus to this discussion that is taking place, which you feel still takes more priority to streamline things in your student career making. You may continue, please.
I would like to agree to Anjali, because discipline is the first thing that a person need in their life, and after that I would like to prioritize soft skills, because soft skills are the things which help a person to build communication skills, time management skills, leadership, but first discipline comes.
In fact, when we came taking admission in an academy like here, So we weren't just directly taught about giving the mock tests or directly giving the tests and all. So similarly, we can't teach a child direct technical knowledge or direct skills without teaching them what is discipline. Giving us a proper schedule, giving us a proper time, making us dress up in a certain way are all a trait of discipline. And discipline comes first, where we are taught to do the basic things, and then our level increases by teaching us soft skills, by interacting with our friends, and then it starts with technical
It
knowledge.
would be appropriate for other members also to give their viewpoint.
In today's competitive world, if we are heading towards the technical development in the society, I agree with you all that discipline is the foundation, but you can't limit yourself to discipline only. If you have to succeed in your life, you need technical knowledge. Technical knowledge gives you innovation, it gives you creative ideas, it helps you to research. Technical knowledge includes digital literacy as well. So in today's world, we know that both digital literacy is playing a critical role in everybody's life. So it's essential.
And last 1 minute, those of you who have not participated at all, may give their viewpoint.
I totally agree to the point told by Khushi, but there is something like, first, I would like to prioritize traditional education because that's the base. And with that only, when you grow up, you go into the digital world and then you have all these gadgets which you use. But the basic foundation is the traditional education. But if you don't have that, how can you like directly go to the digital world and study?
Okay,
Until
ladies.
and unless you are self-motivated, self-disciplined, self-controllable, how all these things will be enhanced in you?
Self-control
That
comes
comes in
from one
discipline.
person itself, not the other person. In technical knowledge, we are gaining it from an experienced person, but discipline is something which comes from yourself as
We would
well.
like to bring in certain more members in the discussion who can contribute a little more.
Even I would like to agree with Anjali. As we study, discipline is the cell we study in biology, which is responsible for building the other abilities, which are soft skills and traditional knowledge. So it is well said by Nelson Mandela that an organization can carry out its mandate things if there is discipline, and if there is no discipline, there can't be real progress.
Okay, ladies, as a concluding remark of this discussion, this was the exposure to you as to how a formal setting of group discussion takes place. Nevertheless, the topic was chosen very carefully to give you a little insight amongst your own mental state, to realize as to what aspect of life would be needing more priority in your journal day-to-day living to build up your capacity and to build up your potential to the fullest level to succeed as a student. Because this is the base and the aim of any country is to skill and build up the student community in such a way that they become the national assets for the nation. And that effort has to be on, in which you have to prioritize your time and various other aspects of your life, including your mental health, physical health, and many other things, based on which you will learn or you will build up the mental capacity or resilience to deal with the day-to-day things of acquiring more and more knowledge and exhibiting more and more skills in day-to-day tasks that you do, whether as a student or as a professional. Thank you very much for participation. Thank you.
Kindly subscribe D-Day YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.